Hi, beautiful. What's up? How are we today? Oh, so glad. I'm so happy you're here. My name is HollyLynora. In today's video, we are doing a how to smooth, airbrush, flawless under eyes and how to make it stay. So listen up, take notes, and get ready for the most set, beautiful, locked in concealer routine that you have ever seen. Okay, so first things first, what I always tell y'all when we are starting with, or when we are doing any kind of technique that has to deal with the base, hydrate. Hydrate your skin. I'm telling you, when you add hydration, you may not see it, but believe it or not, your skin plumps up. It's brought back to life, and it's going to fill out those fine lines a little more, the wrinkles a little more, the nooks and crannies, like your skin just gets more plump. So I have already hydrated my under eye area very well. My absolute favorite is from Sunday Riley, and it is the autocorrect. It is so good that I use this every single morning when I wake up, and I say that lightly because it is not cheap. But another really good product is from Versed. This is drugstore, at least I saw it in Target. This brand sent me products, sent me like a little bundle. Thank you so much. Not sponsored though. So I've been trying them out, and this is called Dew Point Moisturizing. It's a gel cream. It's got green tea, aloe leaf, just really good products, hydrating products to do, just like I said, hydrate your skin, plump your skin. Definitely be sure to add that to your under eye area, lightly pressing it in, and your skin will drink it. Also, they did give me a code to use, and I will have that down below, but once again, not sponsored. I don't profit from this. Okay, skin hydrated. Now let's go on to the next step. Once again, we're keeping this minimal. Go in with your favorite foundation. I'm gonna put on a little primer first. This is from Give. This is the All Time Prime Multi-Use Prep and Smooth Face Oil. This is just for the foundation part. I'm gonna go in with the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation from Danessa Myricks. And literally the reason I'm showing you this is because we are doing something just a touch different. I've been doing this lately on my videos and lately in my routine if you haven't been watching. So that's why I'm showing y'all this pea-size amount of your favorite foundation or more if you feel like you need a little more coverage, and damp beauty blender, but I'm avoiding the under eye. Okay, clearly we have that, look at that pea-size amount just covered everything, and it looks so good. I love that foundation. Anyways, back to moral of the story. Under eyes are left clean and hydrated. We're gonna go in with Milk Makeup. This is their eyeshadow and concealer primer. This is not a must-have. I do see a difference though when I use it for my concealer. And literally it's hydrating. This is from their Hydro Grip line. Hydrating, gripping. It's going to grab onto our concealer. So I'm literally, it's a doe foot applicator. I'm looking up so that way I know I'm getting in those fine lines, nooks and crannies. I like this formula because it is lightweight. So you can add this to your under eye routine, and it doesn't turn your routine into a cakey, thick mess. Pressing it in, and I'm not going, like literally I had the brush in, I had the doe foot in the tube, and I've done that one time, and I'm just spreading and pressing. And of course you can use it, you know, on your lid too for your eyeshadow, but that's a different video. And for the other eye, I'm going back in, once again, looking up, spreading and pressing. Normally, I wouldn't add anything like this to a routine, but this product has cannabis seed extract, and it also has hyaluronic acid, and that's what's going to be really hydrating to that under eye. It also has aloe water and niacinamide, which is great skincare ingredients. It's going to add in that extra moisture, extra hydration. So now that that is in, you can see the discoloration that comes with having under eyes. This is nothing unnatural. If you struggle with under eyes and the way they look, you're not alone. We all suffer with that. What we're doing is learning to cover it and cover it smoothly and flawlessly without doing too many steps. So now let's go in with concealer. This is from Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Rewind. I have spoke of this concealer so many times. I actually need to replenish. Like, I feel like I'm getting low. Lightweight formula, not thick at all. So I'm going to use this because this is my skin tone. And I'm going in with a product that is my skin tone so I can cover, conceal. No special technique to how I'm placing this. I mean, you can see an automatic difference there. And you can see it's very lightweight. A very wet formula. It doesn't dry down quickly, which is something you want to look out for if you're shopping for concealers to avoid under eye creasing, because if it dries down quickly, it's going to dry down in those fine lines before we can prevent that. Damp Beauty Blender. Normally I would go all over my eyelid too, but this is focusing on the under eyes, so if it starts creasing right away, that's okay. We're not finished. Trust the process. That already looks so much better. The purpleness, the discoloration has very much so vanished. Now, you can continue on and skip this part, but I like to brighten the center of my face, what I call the lowercase t. I like to brighten that. So that's what I'm going to do with a different, once again, looser, lighter concealer. This is from Fenty Beauty, and it is their Bright Fix Eye Brightener in the shade Melon. Has a ball, I guess you would say, applicator. It's like a glass looking applicator almost. And once again, lightweight. This one is buildable, but I just want a little bit of brightening. I like this applicator because you can spread without adding a whole bunch more product. Same thing, let's blend this out. Looking up so that way we're making sure every inch of skin is covered. Everything is stretched out. Our skin is stretched out by looking as far up as we can. You can even do a kind of like side mouth and stretch it out there. But years and years of doing that might lead to a wrinkle that we don't want. So I just prefer to look up. Look at that little bit of brightening. Love it. Okay, we are almost there. Once again, if you don't want to brighten your face, you could have totally skipped that second concealer. And now we need your attention back. We are almost done, almost there for this next step. It's very, very, very important, because I don't care how much time you spent blending out and pressing your foundation, your concealer, whatever, into the skin, making sure you got in every single fine line you have. If you don't do this step, you just wasted your time. Okay? Take your favorite setting powder. This is Givenchy's Prism Libre setting powder in the number 4. It's my favorite. It's beautiful. It's stunning. It's, oh my gosh. Like, I'm gonna say this is my favorite. So gorgeous, and it works beautifully. If you want airbrush flawless skin, you need this in your life. Okay, so open your bad boy up. You can use the same beauty blender that you are using. I have this Pocket Puff from Beauty Blender, the brand, and I absolutely love it. I think it picks up very, very nicely, and the shape of it is fabulous. Just slide your fingers in there, you're good to go. You've got your favorite setting powder. Now, before you pick up your powder, you need to make sure that you have everything blended out. I do one eye at a time. Everything is blended out. I literally look up. I'm going to do this a few times, make sure it's blended out. Hold my eye up so I don't push anything back into the fine lines. Making sure my skin stays stretched out. I'm going to pick up some powder. I'm doing the side stretch there. And I am pressing this as close to my eyeball as possible, as close to the corner as possible, into all the fine lines. The difference is crazy. This eye just looks so much smoother. It looks healthier. It looks plump. It looks, oh my gosh, the difference. Insane. Just by pressing it in, holding that eye up, or just keeping your skin stretched, making sure everything is blended out. If you don't do that, you are going to lock down your makeup into your creases, into your fine lines, and that's exactly what we are trying to avoid. That's the exact reason why I'm making this video. So, same thing with the other eye. Making sure to blend all that concealer that has settled in those fine lines. Making sure to blend it out. And I am definitely pressing. I'm not swirling or swiping this. Please do not do that. With setting powder, with a good setting powder, a little bit goes a long way. But you can see, especially since I don't have the rest of my makeup finished yet, you can see the difference in this under eye area, smooth, airbrushed looking skin, and the rest of my skin. Not saying that the rest of it looks bad, but you can definitely see the difference. And now your under eye area is going to stay looking like this for the rest of the day. Now you can proceed with your makeup per usual. And I am back. I have sprayed, set down with my current favorite setting spray. This is the Gucci setting spray, and I'm obsessed. I love it. It loves me. Beautiful relationship. Okay? We don't have to worry about our under eyes creasing all day, locked and loaded, set, ready to go. It's once again another type of insurance. You don't have to worry about it. It's there. You're safe. We're covered, quite literally. I just felt like letting y'all in on how to keep that base together, like, because we've been doing a lot of base things, and I can show you all kinds of base, you know, products and full coverage, this minimal skin tints, but how do you make it stay? That's what's really important to know. So I feel like following up with that, following up with base routines, with how to make it stay, makes sense. And I hope you're enjoying this, learning a little bit, getting something out of these how to stay all day type videos. So with that being said, that is today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed. If you are still here, you hit that subscribe button, okay? You just hit that little button, okay? If you're already here, if you have made it this far, hit that button. And introduce yourself if we have not met. Love talking to y'all. And click another video, okay? It's 3 things. Subscribe, introduce, click another. Y'all are my rock stars. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks again, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.